Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use a Vivint camera without service. First, it's important to know that Vivint cameras can still work with limited functionality even if you no longer have professional monitoring or a paid service subscription. To view your camera, open the Vivint Smart Home app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap the camera's icon located on the bottom navigation bar. Now select the camera you want to view by tapping on its thumbnail. The live video feed will open, allowing you to see what the camera is currently capturing. When you are finished viewing the camera, tap Done to exit the live view screen. If your system still has access to recorded clips, you can tap All Clips at the bottom of the camera screen to view available recordings. If you have a Vivint Smart Drive installed, you may be able to review recordings from up to 4 connected cameras through the Smart Hub or the Vivint app, depending on your system configuration. Keep in mind that using a Vivint camera without an active service plan comes with some limitations. You can usually view live camera feeds, but features such as cloud recording, video playback history, professional monitoring, and certain smart home services may not be available. In many cases, you also won't be able to access past recordings or rewind live video unless you have a compatible recording device such as the Vivint Smart Drive. Whether specific features continue to work without service depends on your camera model and system setup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.